Right, steam is ready. I actually let it, after the 10 minutes, I actually let it rest inside for about another 1 minute to allow the residual heat to continue cook through the fish.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa is going to steam fish using one Chinese way. It is actually called 剁椒鱼头. 剁椒 meaning pickle, pickle and minced chili. And today I'm going to use the red one and also the green ones, where I actually got it from Shopee, I think. You can get it easily online. Yeah, it's not difficult. It is sourish, salty, and spicy. So these three coming together. And of course, Appa has half of siakap fish head here. This is taken out from a 3.2 kg siakap fish, barramundi, wild barramundi. It is really super fresh. Now, and then of course, Appa will be, usually this steamed fish will have a little bit of broth. I'm going to add some of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder as well. Now today, Appa is going to show you a new way on how to remove fishiness from any fish when you want to do steamed fish. Now, before you steam any fish, you must always remember to clean it thoroughly. And when we say clean it thoroughly, it's not just about fish surface. It's also you have to also look at the interior, the inside cavity of the fish itself. Like usually in the middle here, there will be some blood stain. Always remove that because that is the fish kidney, which is also the source of fishiness. Make sure you scrape it away, or you can use a toothbrush to help you. Okay? Right, next thing is to prepare a pot of hot, boiling, not just hot, but boiling water, and carefully put the fish into the boiling water and let it cook and let it boil for approximately 30 minutes or 40 minutes. Just below 1 minute will be, let me repeat. Just put the fish into the boiling water for approximately 30 seconds to 1 minute. Alright, this is approximately 40 to 50 seconds. It's good enough. Carefully, you want to take your fish out and put it over on your steaming plate, yeah? Now, by doing this, you already remove most 70 to 80% of the fishiness of the fish already. It's even better if you can, this process, you can put in a little bit of ginger, yeah? So next step is very simple. Spread some pickled chili on top of it. And usually at a restaurant, they always use two kinds of pickled chili here, the red and the green. Slightly different flavor, aroma, and also nicer color as well at the same time. Next thing, very quickly, I'm going to prepare some chicken stock. Here's some water here, filtered water, and 1 teaspoon of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder. And we should put it aside. Alright. We can actually season this a little bit. So after adding water, you can actually put in a bit of salt. Right, I'm going to send this over to the steamer. Alright, the steam oven has been preheated. Carefully put in the fish. Close it. And we shall steam it for approximately 10 minutes. Right, steam is ready. I actually let it, after the 10 minutes, I actually let it rest inside for about another 1 minute to allow the residual heat to continue cook through the fish. Right now, once the steam has been released, we can carefully check it out. Look at how beautiful it is. Now it's not really ready yet. I'm going to garnish it with a little bit of spring onion on top. Or you can use fresh coriander, right? It's basically done. Now, a lot of Chinese restaurants, they will actually also provide some blanched noodle to eat together with it, because you see some soups at the side. After you finish the fish, you can actually put in the noodles and eat it together. Use by using the sauce, yeah, inside the steaming fish. So there you go. Here's my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on the Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.